Hello, and if you're new to our channel, we are the Ruck family, Stu, Charlie and our 3 kids. 18 months ago we put our house on the market and moved into our motorhome just to go travelling full time. We've explored a lot of Europe and the UK, and last winter we even converted a VW Crafter which we tore down to Spain for 2 months for some winter sun. With the van being too small for us full time, we returned to the UK and bought our current motorhome Nacho.
Join us this week as we show you even more of the beautiful Croatia.
Good morning guys, so today is actually Charles' birthday and it's just before 8 o'clock and we're leaving campsite today. So what I've actually booked for is a day trip, yes, on a boat, because you know how much we likes a boat, but we're actually going to explore all the little islands just off of Split, off Croatia. Now I know part of that is a blue lagoon and a shipwreck, so we thought we'd take you guys to come and have a look with us. And here's the crew. I actually forgot the camera and had to go back, but here they are. Waiting for our Uber. Happy birthday, babe.
Thanks.
You're not too amused with being that big 4-0 with you.
I'm devastated. I'm at, honestly, I just feel gutted. But there we are.
So yeah, we're waiting for our Uber. We're just out the front of our campsite, which is Camping Split, and it's due to be here any minute. And here's our Uber. Come on guys, get in. Let's do it.
So we've made it to Split, and the first stop for us right now is a pharmacy because I need to get myself some anti-sickness tablets. So I didn't think about the fact that I'm on a boat all day.
Yeah.
But I got me a captain's hat ready and I got some new Crocs. Check out them bad boys. I know, you're all really impressed with them, aren't you?
You're a dick.
Let's hope they understand what I'm saying when I'm like, no sickness.
Yeah.
See if we can pick them up, isn't it? This will be interesting.
So, do you do seasickness tablets?
Yes. She knew straight away. How many do you think I need to take?
I'd take the whole box if I was you, Boot.
Well, that was way easier than I was expecting. The lady literally laughed as soon as we said we got seasickness tablets. So I'm gonna get them down me. I get this hat on, and I reckon I'm ready to go.
As soon as we come out, I can hear someone else behind us asking for seasickness, so you're not the only one, darling.
I'm amazed how easy that was.
Yes, they obviously get it a lot.
Yeah. So we've got half an hour to get to the boat. We actually need to make a second stop. Just realised no one's had any breakfast, so we're going to go hit up a bakery that we found the other day. Served some amazing food in there and it was quite cheap. So we're going to go there, stuff our faces, then I can take my tablet, then I can get on the boat. Just look at this. These pizzas were amazing.
You're not having donuts at this time of the morning.
Croissants.
Yeah, it'd be croissants.
Or sausage roll.
I don't see any sausage rolls.
Yeah.
Aren't they sausage rolls?
No, I see something different in those.
Croissant it is then, all of them. Or some a baguette or something. They look delicious. A croissant for me, please.
Anyone want a croissant?
No.
Oliver?
You can have pizza.
Can I please have 3 croissants?
With marmalade or plain?
With what?
Marmalade.
Marmalade.
Oh, just plain?
Marmalade.
Plain for me.
I like marmalade.
Dexter with marmalade.
I'll have 3 plain and 1 with marmalade, please.
Nom nom. Oh, look, they got muffins as well. No chocolate. So I got my goodies. And we've got to go over to number 8. There's like loads of boat stations in front of the marina and they're all marked. We did actually have some common sense the other day and we came down and checked it all out, so we know exactly where we're going.
Yeah, figure it out first.
Yeah, but that's super organised of us. We're not usually like that, are we?
No.
So, well done. It must be because we're in our 40s now.
Wait, one
Yeah.
no one's got 5.
Wisdom, darling.
Sensible.
Wisdom.
Right, so just to show you what we're looking at. There's the marina straight ahead. Loads of eateries on the front here, and then they're all numbered as we go on to the docks. It's pretty though, isn't it? Look at all these palm trees.
Yeah.
Love it. So like, it's these little huts, they've got numbers on, so you know which one to get on. Ours is number 8. And I can see the boat there ready and waiting. They said we had to be there by 9 o'clock and that the boat is taken off at 9:30. It's an all-day charter, hence why I've had the travel sickness tablets, because I didn't really think about this. I'm not very good on boats, and we've booked a boat trip and it's all day. So I'm a little bit nervous because obviously I don't want to be ill today, or any other day for that matter. But anyway, it's a nice looking boat. Let's hope it's got that sort of stabilisation stuff on it. Okay, so this is us.
That's massive. The biggest one.
The biggest one.
Yep. Not that one, the one after that.
Yeah.
They have some lounges at the top.
Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
And they have loads of chairs.
So we've got to check in here.
Got our wristbands.
Yeah, had our request for dinner. It was chicken, fish or...
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian,
We've all
yeah.
gone for chicken.
Play it
So
safe. Yeah.
our boat is the big one over there, so we're going to go get in queue.
That is a nice boat. Stu literally just said to me, "Shall take it easy because you've got unlimited wine on this boat for the day." He was like, literally wait until you've had your lunch. Probably sensible.
How many?
5.
5. So, do you want to go sit upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs.
Down, in
Yep.
the salon?
Yep.
Yeah. You can come with me. And don't be sad,
I guess we're following them.
that. Wait.
We got our table, we're on the middle deck, towards the back. Just check out these views though. We got the biggest boat in the marina. Look at all those baby boats. Thanks, babe.
Happy birthday, love.
Thank you.
Try and stick this on here.
Right, Oliver?
Yeah.
That's the next level up there. Was not that confident to go up there, I'll be honest, even with my sickness tablets. We got on, we were like, let's go to the saloon, have a little look, but when I went in there I did feel a little bit like a caged hen. So we've come up to the middle deck and it's lush, absolutely lush. I'm expecting the wind blowing through my hair and, you know, feeling like $1 million today. Thanks, love.
You're very welcome.
Should we tell them where we're going today?
Right, so we're doing a split 3-island tour, which also includes visiting a blue lagoon, a shipwreck, and a private beach.
And there's lunch and wine included.
How are you enjoying it so far, love?
Yeah, it's been really good. I'm not ill.
No.
That's good. And I've already had 2 glasses of wine.
Yeah. So it's been quite calm. We've just arrived at the shipwreck, so we're all about to get into the water. You want to have a look?
Well, these are. I'm not doing it.
You got salt in your eyes, have you, babe? Yeah.
Hello.
Right, we're going to start heading back now, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, Dex, do you see the shipwreck?
Yeah.
How cool was that? You enjoyed it, yeah? Right, We gotta head back to our boat, which is well around down there. Oh, it's taken us about 10 minutes to swim up here.
I was hoping I could find a shark.
No, we don't want to find no sharks, Dexter.
Sharks too.
Oh, sharks too. Right, wait there. Hold this for me, so I can clear my eyes and goggles. Stay here.
And this boat is
Right, what, give me a second.
yeah, we ain't messing around. Like we don't mess.
Got it, Dex.
Okay.
So we've just arrived at our spot, Port Maslinica. It's our second stop, and there's a castle here that was built in the 1700s, so I'm really excited for this. The crew on board have just said to us that there's somewhere to get ice cream and drinks as well, so, you know, you can't fault that, can you? I'll just give you a little look. We're going to get off in a second. We've only been given an hour, so we're going to get there and I'll show you about. This is stunning. We've just been given some time off the boat and we're on this like island, but it's just like nothing I've ever seen before. It's absolutely beautiful. There's bars here, the boats are all like at the marina, all docked up. Some of them are absolutely mint.
Yeah,
Never
there's
seen
some really
anything.
nice boats, but check this out. So you enjoying your day so far, boat?
Yeah, it's been really nice. It's been quite peaceful, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it's not been chaotic, because quite often you find, you know, birthdays can always feel a little bit nuts. So this has been quite nice to be away and just do something completely different, something that's going to be remembered forever, kind of thing.
Yeah. And do these things remind you of anything, darling?
Electric hookup.
Yeah. You got a water point and electric feeds.
Yeah.
So I guess boats aren't too dissimilar from motorhomes, only they're on water.
Yeah, I just wish I could get over the whole fear of being seasick, because, you know, when you think about it, if you could get a boat...
They cost some serious money.
Oh yeah,
though.
we'd never be able to get a boat, that's not what I'm saying. But you know, just to be able to get on a boat and enjoy it without that worry and fear of being ill.
Yeah, it's cool. Right, let's go check out this little town.
Yeah, there's a castle here that was built in 1700s by the Italians, so I quite like a castle. It'd be nice to go and see it. Look how clear that water is, you can literally see the bottom. That's incredible. Here's the castle that was built in the 1700s by the Italians. It's now turned into a restaurant and they've tried to keep the front of it original as possible. It's beautiful. May check that out in a bit, don't know, because we've only got an hour. They took us quite a while to dock up, so I think we'll literally just maybe go and see if we can get ice cream or a drink somewhere.
So Dexter has been dying to practice diving. Now he wanted to do it back at the resort, but it's like 20 foot in the air, so it's too high. You need to start lower. So we found one that's about 3-4 feet for him. You're going for it, Dex. You're going to show us your diving skills. Go on, then. Who in a bad dive?
Is it cold?
No, not really. I'll put my eyeballs. I have goggles in the bag.
I love it.
No, my nails coat. Yeah.
Found a shop with souvenirs. Oh my god, these are the coolest sandals I think I've ever seen. I don't think I'll be buying in there, love.
Why?
85 euros for a pair of shorts.
Oh, Jesus, no.
Very nice though. Nice food. English breakfast, fish or beef, octopus salad, no thank you. Traditional pasta, beef fillet, pizza, fresh fish. Fresh fish.
Fresh.
That does look lush. I love how they always set up for the tourists though. They obviously get quite a lot of people popping and visiting them, so why not, innit? He's on his ice pop.
Little ice pop.
So is it just this section here then, it looks like, that's first lot?
To be fair, you have just under an hour, so you mean you could go and explore a bit deeper into the island,
Yeah.
but I kind of don't want to miss our boat.
No, that's true.
Now this is something I've not seen before. You got a bench, and on top of the bench, oh, the bench is hot too.
Yeah,
so there's a solar panel, and so I was like, what's the solar panel for? Only some free USB charging.
That's class.
That's clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's only just you
That's
bring
good.
your own charger.
But, oh, that bench is hot.
So some good solar coming in then.
Oh yeah, I'll charge your phone in 5 minutes.
They've got more bars just over there, like looking over the marina from the opposite side, which I think is really nice. It is absolutely boiling. It's like 32 degrees. So I think we're going to go towards the boat and have a little bit of a dip in the green water, like lagoon part.
The Beatles in a yellow submarine.
It's actually sang that they lived in a yellow submarine.
We all
That was them?
Yeah. I hope it was the Beatles.
Yeah, it'd be a bit irrelevant otherwise, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Right, and hopefully I'm far enough from that music now, but you can see this is called the Blue Lagoon, just in one of the islands off the coast of Split, and you can see it is very busy. So we have been told there's nice beaches sort of this side, so that's where we're heading.
So we just had some lunch. It was absolutely gorgeous. We had chicken with local coleslaw and some bread. We were still a bit starving, so Stu ended up ordering some sweet potato fries with like local dips and 2 cocktails. So we're a little bit tiddly now, but they all want to go swimming, so that's where we're heading. Just look how clear this water is. Oh my gosh, to die for.
Agents of the other,
It's so clear, you can't tell how deep it is. It's crazy.
building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground. As we lost the line, we climb.
Oh my goodness, we literally had the best day. It was absolutely brilliant. We've come back, had a couple of wines on the boat, and we're gonna head back to the campsite now. Love, I'm not sure about leaving our boat by your mind. I'm not sure it's safe. Do you know what I mean? It was a few quid that one was.
Oh, I don't know, I think the deck crew will look after it for us.
Should go find somewhere to go.
Yes.
Something to do.
Yes.
We've got a few more hours of this day left, and I'm determined to make the most of it. Days are numbered when you hit 40, aren't they?
Yeah.